Bowen yn erbyn Edwards, Bowen yn ennill. Y peniad! O, dyna chi ergyd gan Miles Davies, oedd yr arbediad yn wych gan Pearson. Miles Davies ar y foli, ar yr arbediad o'r safon uchagon Sean Pearson. Aidan O'Kelly. Pwyso mesur yr opsiynau, mae allan at Walters. Walters ar ei drod chwydd croesi eisiau Liam Thomas ar ergyd! A mae e'n Sgorio. Liam Thomas yn rhoi Caerfyrddin yn heiddiannol ar y blaen. Y croesiad gan Walters. Yr ergyd yn gwyro, heibio i Pearson. Ac mae yna taro'r bêl lawr. Wel, o'n i'n meddwl bod Caerfyrddin, ond yn sicr o'n nhw ddim yn deg llath, a Caerfyrddin sydd ar bêl, Llandudno'n parhau i gwyno. Dyma Bowen. Wel, bydd yna le os bydd hon yn arwain at gol! A dydd i mewn! Wel, mae nawr, cos mae Liam Thomas wedi dyblu mantais Caerfyrddin i ail o'r gêm, a drwchwch ar chwaraewyr Llandudno o gwmpas ein dyfarnwr Gavin Townsend. Penderfyniad dadleuol ganddo fe. O'n i'n teimlo yn sicr oedd Miles Davies ddim yn ddeg llath, a'r croesiad yn cyrraedd yn y diwedd Liam Thomas, ac ar ei drod dde yn curo Pearson. Mark Connolly, yr arbenigwr ciciau gosod, 4 yn y wal. O gwmpas y wal! O, arbediad da gan Idzi. Oedd hi'n hedfan tuag at gornel ucha rwyd. Davies yn troi ac yn tarw'r postyn. O, mor anlwcus, Les Davies. Mae'n gwybod dyle fe di wneud yn well. Chwiban ola y prynhawn gan Mr Gavin Townsend. Ac mae'n swyddogol. Mae Llandudno yn syrthio allan o uwch gyngrair Cymru.
Oh, obviously massive disappointment. I've just said to the lads in there, you know, I've only come in 6-7 weeks ago and I'm gutted. So obviously, you know, I can only imagine how they're feeling right now. There's a lot of disappointed players in there.
Wrth sbio ar yr ystafell newid, da ni gyd yn disappointed, ond mae hwn wedi dod trwy'r tymor rwan. Yn ymwedig efo scores da ni wedi gael. A dwi'n meddwl mae pawb yn y stafell newid yn siomedig ar y funud yndi.
Obviously, we've been looking at the tables for the last couple of weeks. The last month has been a bit stop-start, so it was nice to get a game, and obviously there's games for the next couple of weeks. So, you know, there's been a tense build-up. We fully understand what position we're in, and obviously we're delighted to get the performance and the 3 points today.
And a fully deserved victory as well.
Yeah, I think we deserved it. I think we had, you know, some of the better chances, and we dominated the game in parts. You know what Llandudno were going to bring. They worked hard. You know, they were in last chance saloon, so we knew the game would open up as it went on. And like I said, I asked our boys for a big committed performance, and that's exactly what I got from them.
Ewan's the manager. It's up to obviously him and the club in terms of obviously his situation where that leads for next year. You know, the club will have to make a decision, obviously, moving forward, what they want to do for next year. But, you know, it won't be me as manager next year.